Hello friends, welcome once again to Adept Tech Guru tutorial videos. Today our topic is for loop. Now loop is a concept we generally use in programming when we need to perform something repeatedly. And for loop is one of the important type of loop used in C programming. And the syntax, as you can see here, is basically we have a starting index, what we have to mention in the for loop, then a semicolon, then a test condition, then updation of the index, and then we must have a brace open and close which holds the body of the loop. Now the thing is that when we have to use this for loop, what is the reason behind that? As we have already discussed that using loop we can perform something repeatedly, but there are also scenarios where we have to use a for loop or we have to use other loops. Okay, now as we are discussing today only about for loop, so we will continue with this. So it is written that use when you know the number of iterations. So how many times the loop will execute, how many times the loop will perform the same repetitive task. If you know that completely, you must use the for loop, because here, as you can see, we have a starting index, so you know that where from you have to start, and this test condition is that how long you have to go and how you will reach to your goal. So that is the updation. The loop generally executes, the for loop generally executes till this test condition returns you the true value. At that moment it returns you false, the loop stops its execution. Okay, so let us have a look to a program. As you can see in this program, we have initialized an variable I. So for I equals to 1, I less than 10, and I plus plus. So this is according to our previous window. As you can see, the starting index, so here I is the starting index with 1, so I is starting from 1, I will go till 10, and how it will go to 10? By increasing its value 1. So every step it will increase its value 1. So first time it will be 1, second time 2, third time 3, in this way. And in this simple example we have just printed the value of I. So for every iteration it will print its own value on the screen. So let's execute it to see the result. Yes, as you can see, for every step it is printing its value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in every iteration it has incremented its value and printed the same. Now through this program we have printed a series from 1 to 10, and we have achieved this by just writing the printf only once, not multiple times, because we have written this inside a loop. So the loop has done the work of doing it multiple times. So we have reduced our size of the code by using this for loop. So loops help us to reduce the code when we know that I have to perform the same type of thing repeatedly. So this is the one of the great feature of loops, and the for loop is basically one of the loops we use in C programming, where we know every step, every situation, we know that how many steps will be there, how many iterations are there. So we just use simple the for loop. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.